The word corona is derived from which language and what is the meaning of it? The answer is it is the crown and it is derived from the language Latin. What does the structure of corona look like when viewed under a microscope? Is it crown, ring, triangle, China map? It looks like a crown. Identify the full form of SARS, a contagious disease in humans that is caused by a coronavirus. The answer is severe acute respiratory syndrome. The next question. What is the full form of MERS viral disease? It is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Both MERS and SARS. In which year did MERS coronavirus spread Saudi Arabia? It is in the year 2012. In which year did SARS coronavirus spread in China? It is 2002. What is the name of COVID-19 disease virus? It is SARS-CoV-2. Which zone refers to hotspots under coronavirus situation? We all know that it is red zone. Which central ministry has launched Arogya Setu app in India? It is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MEIT. Name the clinical trial in which blood is transformed from recovered COVID-19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. It is plasma therapy. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hebei province in China. Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? It is SARS-CoV-2. SARS-CoV-2. What is the temporary name given to new coronavirus? 2019 nCoV. What is the name given by scientists to coronavirus that originates from Wuhan? It is SARS-CoV-2. Coronavirus has originated from Wuhan. This city is located in the province of China. In which province of China? It is Hubei. The Spanish flu pandemic affected 1/3 of the world's population and killed about 5 to 100 million people. When did this pandemic spread? It is in the year 1918. Which test is done to detect COVID-19? It is both antibody test and RT-PCR test. The incubation period of coronavirus infection is 2 to 14 days. Name the law that has been implemented recently to stop the spread of coronavirus, which was first implemented in 1897 in Bombay to combat bubonic plague. It is Epidemic Act 1897. Which type of virus is coronavirus? It is RNA virus. Identify how long the second phase has been implemented in India in view of coronavirus. Answer is 19 days. B. 15/4/2022, 3rd May 2020. How long the second phase of lockdown has been implemented in India in view of coronavirus? It is 21 days from March 25th to April 14th of 2020. When did Indian Air Force shower flowers on corona warriors to recognize them? It is on May 3rd, 2020. When was Janata Curfew followed by all in India? It is 22nd March for a period of 14 hours from 7 a.m. in the morning to 9 p.m. in the evening. Arogya Setu app was launched on 2/4/2020. The first case in COVID-19 is seen outside China in Thailand on 13/1/2020. When was the first case seen in India? It is January 30th of 2020. When WHO officially declared the coronavirus as global pandemic? It is 11/3/2020. When did World Health Organization declare coronavirus as COVID-19? It is 11/2/2020. What is the full form of COVID-19? It is Coronavirus Disease 2019. Which government has formed Team 11 in order to tackle COVID-19? It is UP. The first state to impose curfew in India while COVID-19 cases increase. It is Punjab. Which chief minister has launched Operation Self-Declaration COVID-19 app? It is Nagaland. To fight against COVID-19, the government announced Roko Toko campaign in Madhya Pradesh. Which is the first state to declare coronavirus epidemic? That is Haryana. Which is the first state to implement full lockdown in the country? It is Rajasthan. Which state became first in the country to carry out pool testing for COVID-19? It is Uttar Pradesh. Which app is launched by Punjab government in order to spread awareness among the users regarding COVID-19? It is Koa Punjab. Name the first Indian state that declared COVID-19 as pandemic. It is Haryana. Who started ISAC scheme because of COVID-19 lockdown? It is IIT Gandhinagar. Which IIT has developed Flitzy app for consistent and contactless air travel during COVID-19 pandemic? It is Gauhati IIT. Which IIT has developed face masks using waste bottles that are not only more breathable but can be washed and reused up to 30 times? It is IIT Mandi. Which IIT has developed an antimicrobial 5-layered face mask? It is IIT BHU, also called Varanasi. Which IIM has developed a wearable device Veli Band? It is IIM Kozhikode. Which IIT has developed Medicab Portable Hospital? It is IIT Madras. Which IIT has developed world's most affordable COVID-19 diagnostic kit Corosure? It is IIT Delhi. Which IIT has developed Unisavior disinfection box to sterilize personal belongings? It is IIT Roorkee. Which organization has developed a nanotechnology disinfectant spray to combat COVID-19 named Ananya? It is Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Which company had announced $10 million as a relief package for film and television workers during the corona pandemic? It is Netflix. Name the new website launched by Google to spread awareness among users regarding COVID-19. It is google.com/COVID-19. Social app Facebook has introduced a new feature in order to spread awareness among users regarding COVID-19. What is that app? It is Coronavirus Information Center. Social app WhatsApp has introduced which new feature in order to spread awareness among users regarding COVID-19? It is WhatsApp chatbot. Social app Instagram has introduced which new feature in order to spread awareness among users regarding COVID-19? It is Instagram feed. Which of the following company has launched mobile app Sodar that helps in maintenance of social distancing? It is Google. The Finance Ministry has announced to put sanitizers under which GST slab? It is 18%. Who developed Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel COVID-19 hospital treatment of COVID patients with 1000 beds in 12 days? It is DRDO. Which city has used drones for cleanliness during corona pandemic? Indore. In which city did Reliance open a hospital dedicated to COVID-19? Mumbai. Which cities' hospitals are using robots to treat COVID-19 patients? Jaipur. Who started Operation Namaste to tackle COVID-19? Indian Army. Consider the following statements regarding coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of zoonotic viruses causing respiratory problems. Second one is the 2019 novel coronavirus is the same virus that caused SARS-2 outbreak in 2003. nCoV is more easily transmitted but is less dangerous than SARS. Asymptotic transmission is not possible for both SARS as well as nCoV. Which of the above statements are correct? 1 and 3 are only correct. What is the meaning of VI in COVID-19? It is virus. From where coronavirus got its name? Due to their crown-like projections. How did coronavirus transmit? When a person sneezes or coughs, droplets spread in air or fall on the ground and nearby surfaces. B. If another person is nearby and inhales the droplets or touches these surfaces and further touches his face, eyes or mouth, he or she can get an infection. If the distance is less than 1 meter from the infected person. All of these. The answer is all of these. Name the clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. It is plasma therapy. World Health Organization on 11 February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? It is COVID-19. Who started the initiative #Stay Homes with Books during COVID-19 period? It is the National Book Trust. Who has been chosen to create an awareness campaign run by WHO against COVID-19? It is Sunil Chhetri, Indian footballer. A robot has been developed to reduce the physical contact of nurses and ward boys by COVID-19 patients. What is the name of the robot? Corobot. The Pandemic Century, a history of global contagion from the Spanish flu to COVID-19 has been written by whom? Who has written this? Mark Honigsbaum. What percentage of ethanol or isopropanol was recommended by CDC, Center for Disease and Control, using ABHR, alcohol-based hand rub, in healthcare settings? 60% ethanol or 70% isopropanol. Who launched the book titled Safe Online Learning in Times of COVID-19? It is NCRT. Which country has launched Plasma Network for COVID-19? It is Bangladesh. Which app is launched by Indian government in order to track the Location of corona infected people is Corona Kavach. Hydrochloroquine and chloroquine are which type of drugs? They are whether they are antiviral, antimalarial, antibacterial, or none of these. The answer is antimalarial. Cytokine storm refers to capacity to cause more infections in disproportionately large number of people. B. A condition wherein there is not enough oxygen available to blood. A severe immune reaction triggered by body to fight an infection. An immune system disorder caused by COVID-19. It is the severe immune reaction triggered by the body to fight an infection. What is the full form of PPE kit used to have protection from coronavirus? It is personal protective equipment. What is the preferred alcohol content in alcohol-based sanitizer for coronavirus? It is more than 60%. A nasopharynx swab is taken under RT-PCR test conducted to detect coronavirus. What is the full form of RT-PCR? Reverse transcription polymerase chain test. Which of the following coronavirus vaccine has only one dose? It is Johnson & Johnson or Janssen. Identify the protein-based coronavirus vaccine. It is Novavax. Identify which type of coronavirus vaccine is Sputnik 5. It is a viral vector. Which type of coronavirus vaccine is Covaxin? It is an inactivated virus. Which type of coronavirus vaccine is Covishield? It is a viral vector. Remdesivir was originally developed to treat hepatitis C. Identify. Remdesivir is sold under the brand name Veklury. Remdesivir is an antiviral drug to treat hospitalized COVID patients developed by a biopharmaceutical company, Gilead Sciences. The Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine is being manufactured locally in India as Covishield by Serum Institute of India. Which of the following test is standard for diagnosis or confirmation of COVID-19? It is RT-PCR. In the fight against coronavirus, the US administration has announced its support for waiving TRIPS for production of COVID-19 vaccines. What do TRIPS refer to? It is the trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights. Recently approved in the May 2020, anti-COVID drug 2DG has been developed in collaboration with which of the following pharmaceutical company? Reddy Laboratories, Hyderabad. The anti-COVID drug 2G recently approved on 8th May 2021 by DCGI is developed by which of the following lab of DRDO? It is Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences. The recently approved anti-COVID drug 2DG developed by DRDO comes in the form of powder form in sachet. What is the anti-COVID drug developed by DRDO that has recently got approval from DCGI, Drug Control General of India, on 8th May 2021? It is deoxy-D-glucose. Name the IIT that has developed the mobile app called Sampark-O-Meter, which can indicate areas on maps with maximum coronavirus infection possibility and take precautionary measures including self-isolate or consulting doctor. It is IIT Ropur. Identify IIT that has developed the quarantine app that will help in tracking the potential or suspected asymptomatic carriers of coronavirus if they leave their quarantine zone. It is IIT Bombay. Which of the following institutes have developed Go Corona Go mobile app that can help identify people who may have crossed paths with COVID-19 suspects by tracking their interactions in the past using Bluetooth and GPS? It is IISc Bangalore. Name the IIT that has developed an artificial intelligence based deep learning for detection of COVID-19 from chest X-rays, like chest X-ray images. It is IIT Gandhinagar. Name the IIT that has developed Lakshmana Rekha, an artificial intelligence biometric driven home quarantine management application for COVID patients in February 2021. The application uses a combination of biometric verification, geofencing, and artificial intelligence to continuously monitor and accurately detect the identity of a home quarantine person. It is IIT Mandi.